gonna fit.
Are you excited?
Are you asking me?
I'm asking you.
I'm so excited. Our AV is gonna have some color, not. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Excuse my cough drop. I've been sick. I'm so excited to have some color in the RV and not everything the same color. The shades, the chairs, everything. So, like a real house, a real couch. So excited.
Me too.
He's happy because he made me happy. Good guy. Alright, well, no surprise, we did not get full video on taking our L couch that was modified to not a L couch. Anyway, we sold the couch. Didn't get all the video.
Yeah, in our defense though, people were just coming to look at the couch. We didn't know they were going to take it. We did look at it and know how to take it out, but they said now, take it out now, so we had to just jump on it.
Yeah, and we had watched a YouTube on someone else removing a different kind, and we thought, oh man, like 4 hours, but it literally took
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
And in and out, done. So now we need to replace a couch, which I've been wanting to do since we've got this thing. So
Yeah, I did want to take a second though and explain exactly what we had to do to take it out. It was really simple. So the hide-to-bed portion of it, which was the nicest portion of the couch, actually only had 2 bolts in the floor on this side and 2 bolts on that side, and the whole thing breaks loose and comes forward. And from there, there's like 4 screws and on each side, and there's like 4 screws in the back, and the whole back portion comes off. So it's easy. That's 2 pieces. We took it out of here, no problem. The corner piece actually has 4 bolts. It was bolted down. That's it. Break that loose. Had another couple portion that you could pull the top off of it, or the side that goes around, and that's it. It was done. Really, it's about 4 pieces to take it out, plus the drawer we took out, so about 5 pieces, but it really was very simple, so no challenge for us.
yeah, and the people who bought it from us sent us a picture, and it looks great in their rig.
Really
they're super excited. They had an older RV and had an older couch, and they wanted something a little nicer, so it looks great in their RV. So
yeah.
Now we got to get something to sit on, because this isn't. I like all the space, but we need something to sit on.
This is something she's been waiting for too. She's been wanting to change the couch since we bought it. So
yeah, and we actually found one we both like. Local dealer has it in stock, so we're gonna take you down there and let you see it, and then watch us try and get it through the door.
Yep.
Does it measure? What's the door measure?
Don't worry about it. Hi.
We're back.
Hello. The door. So there's that. Even with the cushion. The cushion's 27, but the cushion actually is full off. So it's good. It'll easily go through the door
Of the RV.
of the RV.
Will it fit in the Jeep?
With the door open. Yeah.
Yay! Oh, that's a big box.
Here it comes. Ready?
Woo!
Yeah.
It is a challenge to change an RV couch out
I bet.
because of the door, and you know.
How wide is the door?
It's like 23 inches wide.
Okay. So you have to.
We'll have to shimmy and over the chair and.
Well, always come down. It's
You guys, you're on camera. Say Anthony hates it.
Woohoo!
Say hi, Anthony.
Don't say hi, Anthony.
We try to get him on Instagram all the time, and he's like,
Won't do it.
No.
Well, we have a baby YouTube channel that we sometimes make videos for, so.
You do?
Yeah. It's called To Be Determined.
That's so perfect.
To Be Determined, and we're an RV. Yeah.
And you guys are military. That's a little risque.
Retired. Well, we're retired military.
Yes.
Live in RV full time.
I love it.
RV life. We're gonna show people they can change out their couch.
Yes. Oh, I almost had it, but my wrist is broken.
Oh yeah, don't hurt yourself. Holy moly.
That guy, Peyton Smith, knows what he's talking about.
Yeah, he's been measuring for me for months.
It's gonna stick out. We know that.
That's okay.
So they're only
He's
going
got a
to
strap.
base.
Yeah, he brought a strap.
Okay.
Thanks, y'all.
Rock on. Thank
Woohoo.
you. I like that. All right. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Very much. Jeremiah.
Well, as long as that doesn't tear that box too bad, it'll hold.
Okay. Oh, you're only using one? One strap? Okay.
Just go slow.
Yikes, oh.
I'll be all right.
I trust him. Holy moly.
It looks so big.
All right, so his math was right, and it fit through the door.
Yeah, the only thing we had to do was put the legs on, and it actually came right through the door pretty easy and no help.
Yep.
Just did it ourselves.
Mostly it was in the Jeep. You saw it was in the Jeep. Just hung out a little bit. We didn't have very far to go, so we made it back to the RV and
Yeah.
brought it in.
It sits pretty nice and
Super comfy.
yeah, it's perfect.
Comfy and cozy and affordable, and doesn't match every other piece of furniture and shade in the place. So
I do have a few things I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to figure out how to strap it down to the floor, and that way we can use our seat belts and stuff like that. But we'll make all that happen. That's not gonna be the big deal.
yeah, this is Carmella. That's the name of this couch. So I don't know if it's because it's like a caramel color, but it's Carmella. Made up in southern Indiana, so made in the USA too. If you like our new couch, be sure you tell us down below. And
Yeah, let us know what you think. We were able to take the other one out pretty easy, as you saw, and this one went in easy. So yeah, hey, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think.
yep. Until next time, seatbelts on.
Seatbelts on.